Hello, and in this video we're going to go over exactly how to use FB Lead Finder software. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to hover over settings and you're going to want to connect to Facebook. Now I'm not going to connect to Facebook right now because I want to show you what happens if you don't. So if I type a keyword in here, like I'm looking for, let's say, a writer, and I hit go, it will search and it will bring back results. But as you can see over here on the right hand side, it says login required, login required. So it cannot pull the information from Facebook on whether they can be messaged or not without being logged in. So now I'm just going to go up here to settings. I'm going to click connect to Facebook account. It's going to bring up this little thing, and I'm going to use my RoboForm to connect to Facebook. And you put in your information, you log into Facebook. Now we're logged into Facebook. Now this says log out of Facebook. Now if I just hit the same exact search and hit go, it'll bring back results. So now I have a separate tab, and you can see now it shows me yes or no, I can message them. So the search does work without being logged in, but this column does not work. So let's go over what just happened here with the results and what this all means. So we have a tab for each search that we do. So if I'm going to say I'm going to do another search for author, and I'm going to hit go, it's going to bring up another tab, and the tabs go color, blue, dark blue, blue, whatever color that is. And there is a little X here that we can click and close that tab, and that will close out those search results. And I click that tab and close out those search results. So the idea is you might want to do some searches and come up with what you need and what's best for you, and you could do that as well. Very, very cool. And then if I wanted to export, I'm going to go over that in another video. I could do that up here. But the idea is you type in a keyword and you hit go. You do not need to put location in here. It's not necessary. But if I did want to do author and I want to do, let's say, San Diego, and I hit go, now it's going to search for authors in San Diego. Now, here you can see we have 500 results. See 500 results. And I did author San Diego, and you can see I have 49 results. So less results, but much highly targeted. So that's what you want to keep in mind, that you're targeting and you're geo-targeting. And you can do that by zip code. Right here it says city, state, country, zip, postal code, or province. So put anything in here and it will limit and make your results different, but it helps you get to what you want to find out. So that's how you do your basic search for what we're doing. Now if I want to clear all searches, I hit clear and it gets rid of my searches. It did not clear this out, so this stuff has to be cleared manually. So I can clear that out and I hit clear all searches. Now let's start again. So let's say we wanted to type in, let's say I'm going to type in something I've never done, a trade show. And I'm going to hit go. Now I got 158 trade shows. Now I want to show you, if I click on page, it will sort alphabetically. See, and now it sorts all my results alphabetically by clicking on page. If I click on category, it sorts all the results based on the category that they told Facebook they wanted to be categorized in. And again, if you click it twice, it does it from A to Z and Z to A. So it does it upside down and right side up, if you know, if that makes sense. If I click on the word likes, it's going to sort by how many likes they have, this is very powerful information. And if I click on talking about, that's going to sort by engagement. Again, if I click a second time, it shows me the lowest engagement to the highest engagement. And if I click on can message, it shows me everybody from can message to no, I cannot message. So again, you click on it once, it sorts it one way. You click on it a second time, it sorts it the other way. Very, very simple. Anybody can do this. Anybody can make this happen. Simple, simple, easy peasy. Now, one of the things I want to share with you that I use all the time is when you do go to a link, let's say I want to go to a venue trade show. I click on that link, and now it's going to hyperlink me over to that fan page. Now, the second I do that, now I'm going to go back to my tab, it changes colors. So now I know that I've been there and I've visited that, right? So now let's say I want to private message them. I'll come over here and I'll hit yes, and it'll launch another tab. It'll take me directly to the private message box where right here is I can type my message and I can hit send. And again, I go back here, that will have changed color, and I'll see that yes, I've already messaged them. Now, if you were to clear your cache or clear your cookies, those would go away. But if you do it in the same session, you're going to know which ones you visited, which ones you didn't, right? So I'm not going to spend any time going over what we're doing here because that's in the other training videos, but I was trying to show you exactly how to use the software of what's happening. So that's your basic search. Now, if I do trade shows Los Angeles, and I hit go, let's see what I get. So now I've got 21 results for trade shows in Los Angeles. So again, you can type in any city, state, location, like I can type in California, and you can see it just keeps adding another tab on my results going to the, from left to right. And if I don't like those results or I don't want those again, I can just hit the little X and close that out. Now, another thing that's very important is that when I do the city or the state or the zip, the geo-targeting, it lists my results in the relevancy from the search terms based on the city, state, zip, country, postcode, providence. So in other searches where I don't put anything, it typically does it with the most amount of likes. So again, just keep in mind that the results can be changed, and you can click on any one of these headings up here, and your results will change to what you want to see, um, and we can go from there. So let's clear all searches, and that's how our search function and tool works. It's simple, easy. Anybody can do this. Very, very easy. So thanks, and in the next video, we'll show you something else.